Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can organize your OpenCart dashboard to ensure that it looks nice and also remove unnecessary modules that you might not require for your store. So in my case, I really don't want this world map because the store maybe is just in one country, so I don't care about these other regions, okay? So to do this, you need to first log into the dashboard and then switch to the extensions and then select the extension type as should be the dashboard. Just a second. Yeah, the dashboard. So from here, you will be able to see that we have a couple of dashboard widgets right here, from recent activity, sales analytics, total customers up to total sales. Okay, so for our case, for my case, I don't need the world map. So what I'll do is that I'll just click on the edit button and then set the status to disable. Okay, so once I've done that, I'll just go ahead and click save. Now when I refresh or go to the dashboard, you can see that the world map doesn't show up. Okay, so that's how you can switch on and off this kind of widgets. Okay, so the next part of this video, I want to show you how you can rearrange the order of these widgets so that they appear as per your preference. So again, we go back to the extensions and then we need to select the dashboard extensions. From here, let me just open this in a new tab so that I know what's going on. So I want to move this latest orders to be the first item here. Okay, as you can see, currently sales analytics is the first one. Now, the way this order works, it works through this sort order number. So it means that, for example, one means that it's the first widget, the second widget, third widget, and so forth. Okay. So as you can see on top here, we already have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So people online is the fourth one. Let's just double confirm. Yes. Now I want to set latest orders to be the fifth one. Latest order. So currently it's at number 8. And I'll just set it to 5. So as you can see now, we have it right here. And it looks much better. So there is a way you can actually play around with the width such that maybe it takes half the screen. So to do that, it uses something called bootstrap grid. Bootstrap. Okay. Grid system. So regardless of the version, it will just be important that you learn. So the number of columns from the left to the right of the screen, it has a total number of 12 columns. Okay, so 12 columns you can divide. For if you want to get 4 columns, like for this particular case, you have to divide. I have to ensure that each column is 3. The width is 3. So when you check at let's look at one of them, like for example, total orders, you can see the width has been set to 3. That means 3 columns. Okay. For people online, similar. And for the latest orders, you can see the width has been set to 8. So if we want to just have it half the screen, or half the screen with respect from, I don't know how to highlight here, but anyway, just after the left column to the far right, what we need to do is that we need to set the width to 6. So I'll just change this to 6. Actually, you can just select right there. Now when I refresh, you can see that it now occupies like half the screen, and actually this sales analytics widget has automatically come right up here. Okay, so I feel in my case this looks much better. You can continue to play around with the configurations and the column width right here so that you achieve the best results as per your requirement. That's it, guys. See you in the next video.